Hello and welcome back, everyone. Today we are excited to announce another new update on AI4Chat, the all-new updated version of AI Chat. In order to access the AI Chat feature, just go your dashboard and click on AI Chat. After clicking, you are greeted with a new updated interface of AI Chat. Over here, you can now keep track all of your previous chats and interact with them seamlessly. We have also added a new set avatars to AI Chat. Now you have even more options to personalize your chat. You can choose the options provided or upload your own to give a unique feel to your interactions. Coming to another cool feature, you can now adjust the tone of your chats. Let's say I want to write my friend a letter apologizing for not attending his birthday party. I can make it sound empathetic, bold, or even formal. There are a lot of emotions you can select from. With its new feature AI, Chat also gets additional languages. Now you can interact with your favorite AI model in your regional languages. This helps boosting the reach of AI to almost every individual on the planet. With this next new feature, you can now adjust the desired word count for your responses. So to sum it all up, here is how you can get maximum out of the update. Start by selecting your desired AI model. After that, go to the word count and type in the number of words you want your response to have. Then select the language. And lastly, select the tone. After doing all this, just sit back and let AI4Chat do all the work.